again, we have the solution. Let's look at the next problem. We want to transpose f equals v divided by 2 pi r. For the first part, we're looking to make v the subject. So let's write the formula. Now again, in order for us to make v the subject, we want to get rid of the denominator. And to do that, we look at how the denominator is connected to v, of course, by division. And so in order for us to remove it, we will use multiplication. Now consider that 2 pi r is in the denominator position, so it's really 1 over 2 pi r. That's the value of 2 pi r in the denominator, with a 1 on top of it. Of course, I'm talking about the value of 2 pi r. So if we want to get rid of the 2 pi r, we multiply by the reciprocal. So we reciprocate this fraction and put the 2 pi r on top and put the 1 beneath. So multiplying the fraction by its reciprocal, meaning we upturn to get the reciprocal. Multiplying by the reciprocal will actually give us 1, because 2 pi r into itself goes once, into itself here goes once. So this is the idea that I'm talking about. We're really multiplying. When we multiply this side of the equation or formula by 2 pi r, what we're really doing is to multiply 2 pi r by the reciprocal. So 1 over 2 pi r times its reciprocal will allow us to cancel. And we do the same thing to the other side. Since we multiply this side by 2 pi r, we'll multiply this side as well by 2 pi r. And so this gives us v equals 2 pi r f. Swapping sides, we have the solution. Now, of course, we could have done this, put f over 1 and cross multiply. And so we have f times 2 pi r and v times 1. Since what we're trying to find is v, then we'll say v times 1, put it that right away on the left hand side. So v times 1 is v. And then we'll multiply the f by 2 pi r, which is 2 pi r f. It's always best to keep the value 2 or any number at the beginning. So we have 2 pi r f. And that's v. Cross multiplication, quite a neat trick. Okay, so now we're trying to make r the subject. So let's rewrite the formula again. F equals v over 2 pi r. Now, of course, this was an exam question, and we already make v the subject. It's easier to just simply use this, and then we could actually find r quickly. But let's start from the beginning again. So what I'll do, again, I'm going to use a cross multiplication formula. And I'm going to say f times 2 pi r is 2 pi r f. And 1 times v is simply v, cross multiplying, because we have two fractions equal, the equal sign. We have this fraction, which is f over 1, and this fraction, which is v over 2 pi r. Now, this allows us to have no denominators. And since I'm trying to find r, in other words, make r the subject, I'm going to look at how 2 pi and f are connected to r. They're all connected by multiplication, because this is simply one quantity, as in one term. When you multiply this out, you get one value. So I can remove 2 pi and f by division, 2 pi f. And this allows us to cancel 2 with 2, pi with pi, and f with f. All goes once. And so we have r remaining. But what I do to one side, I do to the other side as well. I'm going to divide by 2 pi f. We did not divide by r because we want to have the r remaining as we have here. So r equals v over 2 pi f. And this is our solution.